Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate accounting for dropshipping with QuickBooks easy tutorial step by step clearly. To automate accounting for your dropshipping business with QuickBooks, start by signing up for a QuickBooks account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Select the settings icon in the upper right corner. Click on Account and Settings to configure your preferences. In the Your Company tab, ensure all your company information is accurately filled out. Next, go to the Sales tab and set up your sales forms to include necessary details from your dropshipping transactions. Now, head over to the Expenses tab. Here, you can define your expense categories, which will help classify costs associated with your dropshipping suppliers. Next, connect your bank account to QuickBooks. This will allow QuickBooks to automatically import your transactions. After connecting your bank account, click on Transactions in the left menu. Select Banking to review the imported transactions. QuickBooks will suggest matches for your transactions. Review and approve these matches. For any unmatched transactions, categorize them according to your predefined expense categories. Now, set up your dropshipping supplier invoices. Go to the Expenses menu and select Vendors. Add your suppliers as new vendors, inputting all essential details and payment terms. After entering your suppliers, create a recurring invoice for any regular payments. Navigate to Sales and select Recurring Transactions. Choose New and then Invoice. Fill out the invoice details such as amount, frequency, and start date. Next, create regular financial reports. Head to the Reports section to generate profit and loss statements and balance sheets. Schedule these reports to be emailed to you periodically for easy monitoring. Additionally, set up automated reminders for overdue invoices. Go back to Settings, select Sales, and enable automated reminders. Finally, review your accounts monthly to ensure accuracy. Utilizing QuickBooks for automation will save you time and improve your financial oversight. By following these steps, you'll streamline your accounting processes and focus more on growing your dropshipping business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.